So the storm hammered us pretty good, but I got some wood out of it. Some of it's walnut. This is predominantly apple from another project I did. But I do have walnut in here placed somewhere. This is walnut. And I'll cut this off so it's straight. I may make a sink out of that piece of walnut. It's quite a bit of wood. Lots of bowls, platters, you know, whatever. And some of them are pretty big. I also saw white oak down across the street from one of the properties and cut off a chunk and made some bow blanks. I was trying to find the center of this, here to here, top to bottom, where I can put a wormhole screw and get it on the lathe. It looks like a lot more wood once you put it in the back of the truck, so that will keep me busy for quite some time, but I will keep you posted on videos that I'll be making. So I'm going to take these rounds. This one is a little over 9 inches, 9.5 inches, and it's longer this way. It's more oblong. It's about 10.5 this way, but I'm going to take these and cut slabs, and then I'm gonna sushi burn them basically, and make them into, well, I don't know what you want to call them, like pieces that I put around the fireplace. And I've got a ton of wood to do it to. And outside I have some bigger ones. In fact, this one down here, I'll show you that one. This one right here on the one under it, they're about 15 by about 14.5. So this is big, and I moved this one up, and it weighs a ton. I don't know, 20 pounds maybe, more than 25. So this one's probably even heavier. And it's walnut, so it's gonna be very hard. But I find it interesting, these are not starting to split, but these little guys are starting to crack. This one too. And they were wet, because it was only down for maybe 2 months before it was cut up into these pieces. I'm just hoping that I can use these things and make some stuff out of them without them splitting and cracking. We will see. More videos to come. So I was just looking at all of this spalted maple that I have. A lot of them are ready to be made into bowls. They've been drying for a long time. These guys over here, they're cypress. So, I don't know, those might make some really cool something. Anybody got an idea? Let me know. The top few of them, they're probably 18 inches across. There's obviously a split in that top one. I don't know about the bottom one. This might be though. So, don't know. So I'm piling these up in the garage to dry, and you can see some of them have cracks. And I'll have to figure out a way to, I don't know, maybe I don't know what I'll do to try to seal them to prevent them from cracking more. We'll see. Like this one has no cracks, but I can feel that it's wet. If you look at this one, it's beautiful. I bet it'd be beautiful cross-cut, like a slab. I think the door will close.